let's take a quick look at this question. This question we are asked, look at the following reaction here. And we are asked the equilibrium constant K of the reaction above is represented as what? Now, what you know about equilibrium constant, for you to write equilibrium constant, if you have something like this, A plus B will react reversibly to give us C plus D. For you to write the equilibrium constant is what? You must divide this one. You must put this one on top. Like now, C, you put the one of C, you put the one of D, all over what? Now put the one of A, put the one of what? B. That is how to write what? Equilibrium constant. You get that? Now, you must consider, before writing this, you must consider whether the state of that substance, it is in gaseous state or in aqueous state, because solid and liquid does not change anything. Remember, chemical equilibrium can only be affected by factors. Okay, a change in factor, that is only when chemical equilibrium can be affected. Now, a change in gaseous state and in aqueous state, that is where equilibrium constant can be what? Can be affected. So you must consider whether that substance is in a solid state or in a liquid state. Then if you now have another one like this, if you now have something like 2 here, okay, the here can now have 2. So what you are going to do is that raise this one to the power. So the equilibrium constant for this one will not be what? The one of product will be what? C. You now raise it to the power of what? 2. This one does not have any power. D. Over what? The one of A. A. Raise it to the power of this one. 2. And now have what? You are B. That is how to write equilibrium constant. So having learned the example of it, let's go back to our equation and solve it. Now look at this one is in solid state, so you are not going to consider it. This one is in gaseous state, you consider this one. This one is in solid state, you cannot consider this one. And this one is in gaseous state, you consider this one. Therefore, the equilibrium constant will be what? Hydrogen gas divided by this steam of water. You get that? So it will be what? It will be, this one will be what? H. Are you following? H2. Put it in a bracket. I told you that when something is outside, you raise it to power. So it will be what? Raised to power 4. You divide it by, are you following? You divide by this one. This one is also, there is 4. So you are going to raise it to power what? 4. You see, H2O raised to power 1, raised to power 4. So this is our equilibrium constant. Do you get that? So let's go to the option that has that one. Look at H2. This one is wrong. Let's go to the, look at this one. Have you seen? So our correct option is what? Option E. Follow this page. Follow this page. Follow this page for more of these exciting videos.